So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Type HP OfficeJet Pro 9012 in the search box, all in one. So you can see by default detect Windows 10. So if you are using different OS, so select Windows 10, and if you using different, so no worry about that. Select this and then click to update. The installations process, downloading and installations process same. Okay, so this is the required the internet. This is firmware. Just click to download and then next to install. That is a basic driver. Click to download. Actually this is downloading, wait few seconds to complete. Single click to setup. Yes. Continue. I have accept and read this. The next. No thanks. Auto update you can select. This is the firmware related that. So firmware you can set the auto update. Okay, then apply it. Then not thanks. Again this is the application slide active required, so you can click to yes. Now this is the installing, you can see. So next there are two type to configure file printer to your system. Like if you know about your printer IPs and which system to connect and share the network. So select this. Otherwise you don't know, select the automatic setup, then the next. Buy the software, it will be defined to your printers, and then will show and next connect to, then check it. Okay, after that restart your system. So this is required to connect, like connect to your switch to your printer. So next will be connect to your printer by cable.